Drones are flying gadgets that can move through the air. They are controlled by people using remote controls or smartphones. Drones can go high in the sky and capture amazing views with their cameras. Drones are used for many purposes. Photographers and filmmakers use drones to take stunning pictures and videos from the sky. Scientists use drones to study wildlife, monitor the environment, and collect data from hard-to-reach places. Drones can also be used for fun. Many people enjoy flying drones as a hobby. They can race drones, perform tricks, and explore new places. Drones bring a new perspective and allow people to see the world from above. Some drones can deliver packages. Companies are testing drones to deliver food, medicine, and other goods quickly and efficiently. Drones can reach destinations faster than cars in some cases, making them a valuable tool for transportation. Drones are an exciting and versatile gadget. They offer new opportunities and possibilities in photography, science, entertainment, and logistics. Drones are expanding the boundaries and changing the way people see and interact with the world.